Hey, going to do a quick review on stuffing on the side. This is chicken flavor. This is. See if I can get the glare off of this. Here it is. This is a Save A Lot product. I'm sitting in front of a window, so the glare's on the box a little bit. It's causing a little bit of glare. This box, I just bought it a couple days ago. I haven't opened it and cooked it yet. But we've cooked this stuff many a times here at the house and ate it. And all you gotta do is bring some water to a bowl and put it in it, stir it up and everything. I usually add some sage and butter to it to add more flavor. It's pretty easy to cook. Calories 180 per serving, 6 servings per box. Total fat fixed is 9 grams, 6 grams. Saturated fat, unsaturated fat 2.5 grams. Cholesterol 20 milligrams. Sodium 460 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 21 gram. 1 gram dietary fat and 2 gram total sugars. Protein 4 grams. The only downside I can think of this is chicken's the only flavor they offer. That's what I offer: turkey, pork, cornbread, or other flavors of stuffing with their brand. But like I said, it's pretty good stuffing. We've cooked it many times here. Everybody here likes it. Everybody likes to eat it, no problem. It's got a good taste to it. It's easy to fix. Some of this takes about, like it says, only 5 minutes to cook. 5 minutes to get it ready. And then you get some stuffing to go along with your dinner. This is Save A Lot stuffing on the side. You can buy it at your nearest Save A Lot store to where you live or work.